Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY Tools and Equipment. Today, we're revealing 20 genius KNIPEX hacks every DIYer should know. These are the ultimate tool tricks and plier hacks that can seriously level up your home improvement and woodworking projects. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your DIY journey, these KNIPEX pliers, wrench tips, Cobra XS secrets, and must-try tool hacks will save you time, money, and frustration. If you're passionate about DIY projects, want to discover professional-grade tool secrets, and love finding game-changing tool hacks that actually work, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell for more genius tool reviews, tool tips, and life hacks every DIYer should know. Let's dive right into these essential KNIPEX tricks. When working with photovoltaic systems, precision and reliability in crimping connections are a must. The KNIPEX MultiCrimp pliers are universal, high-performance crimping pliers of professional quality designed to handle a wide range of electrical tasks. With just one tool and 3 interchangeable crimping dies, it quickly adapts for uninsulated cable connectors, wire ferrules, PV cables, earthing conductors, and cabling to meter cabinets. The quick change system allows dies to be swapped without extra tools, while the round magazine stores up to 3 dies safely. Featuring precision dies and a ratchet mechanism, it ensures consistently high crimping quality, perfect for securely crimping connectors and ferrules in solar and electrical installations. Cutting through tough cable sheaths requires precision, safety, and efficiency. The KNIPEX Ratchet cable cutter is engineered for demanding electrical work, featuring a ratchet function and guide shoe that ensures controlled, clean cuts while protecting conductor insulation. Its 3-stage blade lock allows for secure positioning during cutting and transport, while the replaceable sickle-shaped hook blade offers durability for long-term use. With 4 blade positions, ratcheting, straight, angled, and folded, it adapts to any task, cutting even tough plastic sheaths with up to 7 millimeters of wall thickness. Designed for round and lengthwise cuts, it includes 3 cutting areas, a thumb rest, and tether attachment compatibility, making it ideal for efficient professional cable preparation. When working with sensitive electronics or precision mechanics, accuracy and safety are essential. The KNIPEX Electronic Super Knips delivers professional performance as VDE-tested precision pliers designed for the finest cutting tasks. It features ground, ultra-sharp cutting edges without a bevel, and a shear cut with a micro-cutting edge offset for long service life and pinpoint accuracy. With precisely shaped tips, it cuts adjacent wires as thin as 0.2 millimeters with ease. The slim, narrow head allows access to hard-to-reach areas, while the opening spring and limiter support fatigue-free use. Built with a stainless steel rivet joint and a cutting-edge hardness of 54 HRC, it ensures reliable work up to 1,000 volts. Perfect for delicate, high-precision wire cutting. Every craftsman needs a reliable cutting tool that delivers accuracy, safety, and durability in every application. The KNIPEX QutiX Universal knife provides precise, sharp, and robust cutting with its innovative stabilization bar that allows the blade to be used flexibly or rigidly. Equipped with flat sliders for both blade and stabilization, it prevents accidental adjustments while ensuring a secure hold when cutting, pushing, or scraping. The hardened steel pin and quality blade lock provide stability, while blades can be changed tool-free with just one push of a button. Compatible with all 18mm snap-off blades, it includes 2 spare blades stored safely in the handle. Ideal for precise cutting, scraping, and versatile everyday use. Every electrician or technician needs a reliable way to strip cables quickly, cleanly, and without damaging conductors. The KNIPEX ComStrip stripper makes stripping easy with its self-adjusting mechanism that handles common cable sizes effortlessly. The updated version features an integrated cable cutter for finely stranded wires up to 6 square millimeters and an ergonomic dual-component handle for controlled low-strain work. It retains its proven strengths, including an adjustable length stop from 6 to 18 millimeters for consistent results. fine cutting depth adjustment for special insulation types, and a fiberglass reinforced plastic housing that is both lightweight and durable. Perfect for precise, repeatable cable cutting and stripping in electrical and installation work. Tough cutting jobs demand a compact yet powerful tool that delivers maximum performance with minimal effort. The KNIPEX CoBolt is a handy bolt cutter offering 25-fold manual force reinforcement, capable of slicing through even the hardest piano wire. Its heavy-duty precision cutting edges with recessed handles cut the hardest round materials in one smooth action. With a convenient length of 160 millimeters, it provides extremely high cutting performance while remaining lightweight at just 200 grams. The slim head ensures excellent accessibility in tight spaces, while the chrome vanadium heavy-duty steel construction guarantees durability. Perfect for cutting bolts, nails, rivets, or wires up to 4.8 millimeters. This tool combines portability, power, and precision. When working in tight or hard-to-reach spaces, a precise, reliable gripping tool is essential. The KNIPEX Cobra water pump pliers deliver exactly that with an extra slim head and joint design for exceptional access. Featuring self-locking jaws on pipes and nuts, these pliers prevent slipping and allow quick adjustment directly on the workpiece. The updated Cobra ES offers a larger gripping capacity, greater depth, optimized jaw geometry, and a cross groove for securely holding slim round materials like nails. Available in a compact 180mm version, they provide fine adjustment, comfortable handle width, and superior versatility, making them ideal for service, maintenance, automotive, and general industry work. Working with cable ties demands a safe, precise solution that avoids damaging surrounding insulation. The KNIPEX cable tie cutter set delivers exactly that with a rounded pliers head designed for low-risk cutting of cable ties. It includes a pliers wrench with special laser tooling for a secure hold and a precision electronic diagonal cutter that ensures clean, controlled cuts. For added protection, the integrated material catcher keeps the cut piece secured, preventing stray ends. Compact and reliable, this set is built for professional use where safety and precision are priorities. Ideal for electricians, technicians, and installers, it provides safe, damage-free removal of cable ties every time. In tight or confined spaces, a precise and compact gripping tool is essential for safe and efficient work. The KNIPEX Pliers Wrench XS delivers 100 millimeters of pure gripping strength with a very slim head for exceptional access. It features fine adjustment with 10 positions, covering all gripping widths of a wrench set, metric, and imperial, and an enormous transmission ratio of 1:10 for effortless force application. The tool allows users to grip, press, hold, tighten, and loosen screws gently with a pinch guard to prevent crushing. Only 100 millimeters long, it reliably handles workpieces up to 21 millimeters across flats for versatile, compact applications. For precise cutting of thin wires and cords, a small yet powerful tool is indispensable. The KNIPEX Wire Rope Cutter is specially optimized for tire cord, wire ropes up to a diameter of 2 millimeters, and cables up to a diameter of 2 millimeters. Compact and lightweight at only 172 grams, it combines high performance with ergonomic efficiency, featuring multi-component grips for comfort and control. The practical opening restriction ensures safe and precise cutting every time, while its burnished cutting edges guarantee durability even under intensive use. Designed for compact, light, and powerful operation, this cutter delivers precise, clean cuts in tight spaces, making it ideal for professional and DIY applications. For cutting a wide range of electrical cables safely and efficiently, a reliable high-performance tool is essential. The KNIPEX StepCut features a high-leverage bolted joint, long handles, and optimized cutting edges, making cutting noticeably easier than with compact cable shears. It has a large cutting capacity, handling solid copper or aluminum cables up to 35 square millimeters, stranded cables up to 70 square millimeters, and fine stranded cables up to 120 square millimeters. Dual cutting areas allow small and large cables to be held close to the joint, while the front cutting edge cuts very large cables step by step. The slim head, pinch guard, and laser-hardened edges ensure precision, safety, and durability. For handling a wide range of fasteners efficiently and safely, a versatile gripping tool is indispensable. The KNIPEX Pliers. Wrench offers 13% more gripping capacity and 15% less weight without compromising stability. It allows fast adjustment to different wrench openings and grips small components with parallel surfaces. The laser cut adjustment scale enables presetting the wrench opening, while screws can be tightened or released using the ratchet principle. High pressing force is ensured by tenfold reinforcement of manual force, and 2 additional setting positions allow flexible gripping of all widths across flats up to 52 centimeters, making it ideal for professional and home use. For precise and efficient plumbing work, a reliable tool for cutting and chamfering plastic pipes is essential. The KNIPEX pipe cutter is designed for thick-walled plastic pipes, including PP and PVC, with diameters of 32 mm, 40 mm, and 50 mm, with wall thicknesses of 2.5 to 3.5 mm. It combines cutting and chamfering in one step, ensuring smooth cuts without deburring or breaking brittle pipes, reducing the risk of leaky joints. Features include self-adjusting rollers with plain bearings, a spring-loaded cutting blade, and a tool-free, reversible blade body made from high-quality ball-bearing steel with a spare twin-edged blade for long-lasting use, ideal for plumbing and industrial applications. For tackling screws with worn heads or difficult drives, a versatile and precise gripping tool is essential. The KNIPEX TwinGrip combines front and side gripping functions, a box joint, and push-button adjustment for reliable performance. Its biting front jaw with robust teeth provides a high transmission ratio, while the very slim pliers allow work in confined spaces and narrow turning zones. Features include a pinch stop, ergonomic comfort handles with KNIPextend interfaces, and a 5-way adjustable slip joint. It offers a large gripping capacity for diameters and widths across flats, 4 to 22 mm, and frontal gripping of flat workpieces up to 8 mm, making it ideal for all common tasks. For efficient and precise preparation of PV and installation cables, a specialized stripping tool is indispensable. The KNIPEX ErgoStrip tool offers fast and precise stripping of PV cables with 4 and 6 square millimeters, as well as all common round and damp-proof installation cables. Its innovative ergonomic pistol grip design enables easy cutting, stripping, and longitudinal cutting of the sheath. Features include an adjustable length stop from 6 to 18 mm for repetitive stripping, conical slim down ends for access in confined spaces, a wire stripping mechanism for PVC single conductors, location ridges for simplified wire insertion, an opening spring with locking device, and a multi-component handle with soft plastic zone for comfort and secure grip. The KNIPEX KNIPextend introduces a versatile interface at the end of pliers handles, allowing customization and added functionality. It supports color code clips for quick color-coded identification of pliers by type or use, and tethered tool clips to convert any pliers into a TT version with fall or drop protection. The interface combines maximum strength and durability with ergonomic features like a thumb recess and special structure for precise control. With a 3-component comfort handle, firm red, soft blue, and textured gray, users gain comfort, guidance, and options for 3D printed custom attachments. For precise pipe cutting in tight or confined spaces, a compact and reliable tool is essential. The KNIPEX TubiX S Pipe Cutter delivers this with a minimal cutting radius and quick lock mechanism for single-handed adjustment, securely clamping pipes. It cuts copper and stainless steel pipes from a diameter of 1/8 inch to 1 1/8 inch with wall thicknesses up to 5/64 inch. The pipe diameter can be preset using the scale, and a spring-loaded cutting wheel ensures quick, precise positioning. 5 needle bearings allow smooth rotation, while the textured turning knob provides 20% higher torque. A spare cutting wheel is stored in the knob for convenience. For precise and efficient wire preparation, a reliable stripping tool is essential. The KNIPEX PreciStrip16 allows simple, precise stripping of fine wires and solid round cables from 0.08 to 16 square millimeters using only one pair of pliers. Semicircular grooved metal holding clamps provide a secure grip, while the parabolic stripping blade ensures an exact cut. An automatism regulates the cutting depth, adjustable in fine steps for special conditions. Features include an adjustable length stop, tether attachment point, ergonomic dual-component handle, easily replaceable blade cassette, and cable cutter for copper and aluminum conductors. Ensuring reliable electrical connections is critical for safety and efficiency in any installation. The KNIPEX PreciForce Crimping pliers are precision-engineered tools designed for consistently high-quality crimps. Featuring improved crimp geometry, they deliver excellent conductivity and precise, factory-calibrated crimping pressure. The ratchet mechanism, which is unlockable, ensures uniform results every time, while the efficient lever action provides high crimping force with minimal effort. Lightweight, compact, and ergonomically shaped, the handles offer comfortable handling even during extended use. Ideal for PV system connectors and installations in residential, industrial, or isolated setups like mobile homes, this tool provides precision and reliability for all crimping tasks. For fast, precise, and safe wire preparation, a versatile stripping tool is essential. The KNIPEX EvoStrip handles a wide capacity range from 0.03 to 10.0 square millimeters without damaging conductors, thanks to automatic adaptation to different conductor cross-sections. Its two-component handle with comfortable width minimizes hand fatigue and injury risk, while the adjustable cutting depth and fine setting wheel allow precise work on demanding insulation types. Top-mounted cable cutter handles copper and aluminum conductors with maximum visibility, and the tool works for solid, multi-stranded, and finely stranded wires, including ribbon cables up to 10 millimeters wide. Integrated tether attachment, wear-resistant blades, and smooth operation ensure long-lasting, reliable performance. That wraps up 20 genius KNIPEX hacks every DIYer should know. These tool tricks and plier tips are guaranteed to make your next home improvement or woodworking project so much easier. Which KNIPEX hack blew your mind? Let me know in the comments which pliers trick or tool hack you're excited to try next. If these game-changing tool hacks helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more must-know DIY tool tips, woodworking hacks, and professional-grade tool reviews. We've got tons more essential tool secrets and life hacks coming your way, so don't miss out.